You need to help me. You see that man? He is chasing me. I do not feel safe. Please, I don't feel safe with him around.
Leave me alone.
Sir, I'm not safe.
Cos'è?
They've got to be here.
If they're still on foot.
She could have lifted a car.
If that's the case, then we have no idea what the we're looking for.
We go inland. There's a million different routes that we can take there, and we'll just disappear.
Sure you don't want to head south and just wait at the border?
Wait at the...
Yes.
That's exactly what they're expecting us to do.
I just think it's our quickest out, Bucky.
Wait, what are you...
Look. Is he looking?
I don't know. But don't look.
I said don't look, Carrie.
Careful.
Okay, a million routes. I don't know what that means. We need to pick one.
I am clearly driving right now. Can you just navigate
If
for
you're
me,
driving, we're
please?
gonna be driving all day. God, Jesus.
That was them.
Okay. I'm just gonna do it.
No! Just stay on him. Stay on him.
Faster, Lucky,
I'm
come
trying.
on.
Please, just... Catch him on the other side. Stop!
Crazy.
Carrie,
I know.
I don't regret us.
Neither do I.
What are you doing?
Buying us some time.